Citizens Financial Group, Inc., is an American bank headquartered in Providence, Rhode Island, which operates in the states of Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Vermont, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. Between 1988 and its 2014 initial public offering, Citizens was a wholly owned subsidiary of the Royal Bank of Scotland Group. The group sold its last 20.9% stake in the company in October 2015. Citizens operates 1,003 branches and 4 wealth centers as of June 22, 2022, and over 3,100 ATMs across 11 states under the Citizens Bank brand. Citizens ranks 17th on the list of largest banks in the United States as of the last day of Q1 2022. Citizens was established in 1828 as the High Street Bank in Providence, Rhode Island. In 1871, the Rhode Island legislature gave a second charter to establish the Citizens Savings Bank, which eventually acquired its parent group to form Citizens Trust Company. The bank then expanded through Rhode Island, opening a total of 29 branches in that state. It established Citizens Financial